A lecture, love, in love's philosophy. These 3 hours that we have spent walking here, 2 shadows went along with us, which we ourselves product. But now the sun is just above our head. We do those shadows tread, and to brave clearness all things are reduct. So whilst our infant loves did grow, disguises did and shadows flow from us and our cares, but now 'tis not so. The love hath not attained the highest degree, which is still diligent lest others see. Except our loves at this no one stay, we shall new shadows make the other way. As the first were made to blind, others these which come behind will work upon ourselves and blind our eyes. If our loves fade and westwardly decline, to me thou falsely thine, and I to thee mine actions shall disguise. The morning shadows were away, but these grow longer all the day. But oh, love's day is short if love decay. Love is a growth